Dear attorney, it is Saturday morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in Washington, D.C. My name is Marco Brown. I am Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City, and I am in D.C. for a big old national conference. Thought I'd talk about meeting people and specifically kind of what ratio we should network with attorneys and with others to help grow our business and grow ourselves. Okay, so networking is just relationships. That's all it is. And it's really like what relationships are going to propel us forward in our law firms and in our law practices and then in our own lives, because those two things are intertwined. You should really be living your life, your business as your life and your life as your business. There's no dichotomy between those. So this is the ratio that I have come up with and what I kind of strive for. I don't always get it, but I think it's a good ratio. So what I do is I try to spend 50% of my time with people that I already know. Okay, so these are my referral sources. I mean, if it's on a business level, these are my referral sources. And I especially try to spend an inordinate amount of time on my top 25 referral sources. Okay, so I do special things for them. I give them special content. We have events together, that sort of thing. So I really try to take care of them and give them a large percentage of my time and my attention, because they're already feeding me cases and taking care of me and my family, and they deserve to be taken care of. They deserve massive value, and I try to give it to them. And then, I definitely talk with and interact with and friends with lots and lots of other people. So I give them about half my total time. Okay. Then the other half is kind of broken down a couple different ways. So it's meeting new people, and about 40% of the overall total is really of the total time that I spend, on these relationships and whatnot, is spent with people that are kind of in a sphere where I'm probably going to get referrals from them. So they're kind of, they're local people. They might not be in my kind of normal ambit. I do divorce, so I'm talking with criminal defense attorneys, I'm talking with PI attorneys, but they're in my geographic area for the most part, okay? Maybe kind of widening it, I live in Utah, so maybe widening it past Salt Lake and Logan and these places, but they're really those people that are going to give me referrals and who I can give referrals to as well, okay? And then there's about 10% of the overall total that I call like the stretch. And these are the people that I would never really otherwise interact with, to be honest with you. But I want to stretch to get to know them. So these are people in power, okay? These are people in economic power, political power, and social power, okay? Super connectors in the community, the governor, politicians, other, like the richest guy in your town or the richest lady in your town, whoever it is. These people, these are stretch people. You want to get to know them. You never otherwise would really do that. Okay, so you don't want to spend all your time on those people, but you definitely want to spend some of your time on those people, because when you do that, when you stretch out, one, you may love those people, and those people may give you tons of business. They may give you tons of connections. They may inspire you. Okay, you don't know, so do that. Spend about 10% of that time, but 50% of your time really needs to be spent on those people you already know. And the nice thing about the 10% deal is that you get those people, when those people become, you get a connection with them, you get a relationship with them, then those people become part of your 50, and then you're regularly with those people in power, right? And it's just building and building and building, and you're always trying to add some new people to it. But you get that 10%, that 40%, boom, into the people that you know and you have relationships with, then you're building and building. And it becomes this really kind of upswing, this virtuous cycle up with those individuals. And you just, you make more money. Referrals are the lifeblood of what we do as attorneys, and relationships are the lifeblood of who we are as humans. So this is going to help your business. This is going to help you It's going to inspire you. It's going to get you in with new people. It's going to get you in with people that are going to help you grow. And it's really all about that. We can mass market all we want as attorneys, and I do a lot of that. I do a lot of advertising. But when push comes to shove, there's nothing more durable than our relationships and our referral sources. And we got to take care of those people, man. And we got to stretch and always make sure that we're expanding that pool and yet taking care of those people that are taking care of us in a very, very real way. So, okay, that's my thought on the breakdown. Again, 50% of your time should be spent with your existing referral sources, relationships. 40% of the total is expansion, but expansion within kind of your community. It's people directly related to you and in law, really, that can give you referrals. And then 10%, that stretch goal, like your US senator, the governor, the richest person in town, kind of whoever, to expand yourself and really kind of expand your network beyond that which it otherwise would be. Okay, I am on the way back to my my hotel, and then I am going to go to the conference. As you can tell, I am not ready for that at all, but I will be in my suit in about an hour and listening to fun lawyer stuff. Okay, thanks everyone. Talk to you later.